Ever wondered how your logical intelligence might shape your career path? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of career choices, tailored around the levels of your logical intelligence. High logical intelligence. It's a trait often associated with problem-solving, critical thinking, and the ability to analyze complex situations. Those with high logical intelligence often excel in careers that require systematic thinking and precise calculations. Consider the field of engineering, a profession that demands a high degree of logical intelligence. Engineers must understand complex systems, identify problems, and create efficient solutions. They must master the art of turning theoretical knowledge into practical applications. Similarly, careers in mathematics and science are tailored for those with high logical intelligence. Mathematicians, physicists, chemists, they all use logic to understand the principles that govern our world. Their work involves identifying patterns, solving equations, and making predictions based on their findings. But what about those with lower logical intelligence? Fear not, it doesn't mean you're destined to struggle in your career. Quite the opposite. It indicates a higher level of creative or spatial intelligence. Take, for instance, the world of arts. Artists, designers, and writers often exhibit lower levels of logical intelligence, but their creativity knows no bounds. They have an innate ability to envision things in a unique, creative manner, and their work is a testament to their imaginative prowess. In the realm of education, those with lower logical intelligence might find their calling as early childhood educators. This role calls for high levels of creativity, empathy, and the ability to understand and cater to varied learning styles. Similarly, roles in public relations or event planning could be a great fit. These careers require a knack for thinking outside the box, understanding people, and creating memorable experiences. Voiceover. Parents, understanding your child's unique intelligence can be a game changer in their career planning. A DMIT report can help identify your child's dominant intelligence. This isn't just about their academics, it's about their inherent strengths and talents. The report can guide you in nurturing their potential in the right direction. Whether they're a logical thinker or a creative genius, this valuable tool can help you make informed decisions about their education and career path. So why wait? Get your child's DMIT report today and unlock their true potential.